I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. The name is plenty. Mekan, and this be celebrity what Yawa Chale Abo. This Yawa way they can't talk on bro. It no be easy. What be the Yawa? R0b'bers attack student in UCC. That be the what the Yawa. Omako real UCC form bar and then Bemo Mo school pa. And so over the previous years on Muko school, the student where they talk. I'm saying over the previous years now. R0b'bers say they go to the point of showing them knives, guns, then things. Some say they chop slap or especially the boys. No, we was say no corner we tie you on the phone. So we only a friend say hey blah 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 blah. Near man buy a marry bonus money at the phone then things. I idea how I'm over the school him. So right now they use the Twitter platform no express some views and what they are going through. Going through in what in school. That's what it happen for them. When plenty people to come where they can't share their mind, they can't share them thought and things. Some boy can talk say, you know, you go school fresh, you know, you go level 100, and if you can say security then people they know. So you might know they talk say you have a R0b'bers. I saw the laptop share the bag you. I didn't laptop share the bag more so I call lectures about not buying any laptop in here day any. But money now superior no or more okay then come. Then my hostel gates, you know, they lock come where they take go give the what the people where they keep their keys, you know. He say you come no you bow way cry way you do talking parties and say where your laptop day no. I'm share ya or move window pan I will hostel it, you know, or move beer window no. Then tear the wire mesh the things all way they enter the window inside go take the what the laptop. Where another sister to can talk. And also be share also they know or no question the next examination week. And the examination week where you go learn. If they go learn come na where the boyfriend they what they go. Our boyfriend no can no be there ebe G the phone no edi dwane ba the boy no dey wan for the phone na there mom enti the boy na so na there etia phone ka there e man no koto nice phone there esa man. So it be something where it dey worry them why
it's fine no be easy. The school all makes scatter like Charlie, you know, take your time and then go stab you. Some people cry, then rape them, then things. You know, then come with and beat you your laptop, then things where you won't resist tomorrow now, then go stab you. They campus bar like they no go catch 5 staff. They be few so like the place then go still wait and go no. And then the moment they get there now, then my ID that place stop now. Then go different area, then go do that bad thing again for there. Like then go still then stab some people for there too. So like right now. It make the campus very dangerous.
If it's something where they see it be like Abani say Abani then because you know be say R0b'bers school where they will can't steal them. R0b'bers school now the things where them mommy them will give them not obi adequate one so obi diska siska obi the way sikai any to abedio fi musam there then in them no them further for the what the school inside where R0b'bers to take them a man come say it be true pa it be true because we you know we take one analyze put people your hand inside say spy on a property smoke we learn them who can tell better people for the country inside that one yeah they ya say more general ho ebu on the school no bibia security men so no more you see bebre na bu bomb kokra no motiwo if somebody enter the school inside that omun be so bia she they no go busy say who you dey search they no go busy say why they enter are you a student or something let me see your ID card they say you give them some say they give them bread now in that some to say crowd they know they greet them where they pass where they go spy you are or make sure when you mama where they where school him say sudu you don't know say that person only be thief you don't know say that person only be lecturer you don't know say that person only be student no money pana then every them thing so the student they what they talk to the government they say moku talk to the government so we they use this platform to imagine it we they use this platform they tell them what the government say make them go what go spy one or what when people with them day school no because omo bre because omo mama no papa no bre before omunya sa sikano the omo asoro ma de omo go school no and mama me bi so be kan as say ono wa to laptop sa you buy laptop level 100 you buy laptop level 200 you buy laptop level 300 you buy laptop level 400 you buy what you buy laptop level you buy wa bre they see and the banner then ewie ono I say the banner ewie into oba kan no tomorrow into the talk say make the authority for the school inside no more school no more authority no omo mag we security for no just serious security man be kra ba no wada you move or what are the come for you move inside you know say e dey post you know say e be work where you dey work where you bed So therefore check them, therefore make serious for them and work way, then they what? Then they do talk. That be what the woman know to what? Can't talk. Where another sister to can't talk say, you know, you go school, you know experience those things, but some of your friends, then that will for you or maybe come more experience the children. No, none of your experience be that, but still now so no, it appeal to what in colleagues say make them be what? Vigilant. Or more sure or more console, or more tutu or more kama. That be the girl in what? Against that was the something where it a trend for the world of social media, where it's not the trend for Ghana here, it a trend for Ghana here, you know the social media talks are in Ghana here, so of Omu so of Ama are there airports with Omu schools in the Omo Omu hostels, no movie, Omo that be what it happen for what UCC. They happen. So say real school man, bro. You know be what? You know be easy cry. You too go feel leave your comments and everything be out for the comment box inside. Or comment be out better or share. Or wait to share or comment box in you. And also you go feel follow us on all the social media platform. You be what? Too much watch GH. Too much GH. That be the something way for what? You for do. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Pow!
Too much GH. Me did go say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
Too much GH. We are boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me did the Isaiah Kojampo. We betting from the great tempo. Bring. One man come on here. Too much GH. Too much GH. Too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.